Live. We're here at Liberty Learning Center, live and center. We are here showcasing today our computer studies mini exhibition. We're basically just showcasing having the displays of the students' hard work. They were given the task of creating different components of the computer system, and we have these being showcased here today. Auntie Crystal, the computer teacher here at Liberty Learning Center, came up with this assessment for each child to participate and make a different component based on a grade. So each grade was given a different part of the computer. So from kindergarten right up to grade 6, they were given a different component of the computer to make. And you can see here today the result of their hard work. They definitely showcased their talents, their creativity, and they came out in fine style and fine colors. So we're just showcasing here today some of what was done. We're also doing walkthrough with each class, having them come through, sharing their knowledge on what they learned, and just taking the entire experience. I have this morning with me another parent. This morning we interviewed a few parents who came to see what was happening, and they shared their vision and their thoughts on what we have here. So here I have with me Mr. Hudson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Good to have you here. I saw you here taking a walk through the exhibition. What are your thoughts on it? How do you feel being a part of the showcase this morning?
What I'm seeing is excellent. A great deal of creativity went into the students and parents put out all their best to give. And looking at it, it's like you walk into a multi-billion-dollar computer store.
I like that. Put on it.
Computers, everything on display, nothing is missing.
Definitely.
And listening to Auntie Question, the kids, they know about the computer. They can tell you how the brain works, how the mouse, everything. I learned something today.
That is
the
good.
amount of keys that are on the keyboard.
Nice.
I did not know that before, but I learned it from one of the class.
And that's good.
Creativity, talent, and display cannot be beaten. That's liberty learning center.
Thank you very much. And we appreciate you being one of our parents who worked tirelessly. I'm guessing you were the one who helped Ethan to prepare his component, right?
Well, he created what he wanted and I just helped him put it together.
What part of the computer did he create?
He did the monitor.
The monitor. All right, so I'm pretty sure I went over it, but I'll be going again.
Lamborghini and that's his type of.
That's his dream car, right? All right, we'll be sure to take another look at it. So thank you, Mr. Hudson, for coming. All right, we're going to be moving over right now to one of the sessions. Auntie Crystal is here with one of the grade 3 classes. Let's see what's happening.
What part of the human body is similar to the speaker? Your mouth. Who agrees? So I'm speaking right now. Do I sound like a speaker? Yeah. Or maybe if I go like this, do I sound like the radio? Yeah. So my mouth is acting like a speaker, right? So is a speaker input device? No. What is it? Output device. Alright, good job. I'd like to thank everybody that participated in making their devices. They look very cool. And for the ones that worked, that is super impressive. Alright, keep working hard. And be sure to express thanks to mommy or daddy or grandma or anybody that helped you to put it together. Cool? Can you tell me what we're looking at here? Okay.
Don't forget the mouses and keywords.
You're seeing mouses over here? Where's the mouse? Alright, good job. Okay. So what is this? What is this part of it? It's the what? What do we do with the monitor? What's the monitor for? To see things on the screen. And what is this part of the computer system called? CPU. What's the current name for the CPU? Yeah, but what's the other name for CPU?
What does CPU stand for?
Yeah, what does the CPU stand for? Central processing. You guys forgot? Unit. Central processing. Alright, the computer is also called the brain of the computer. Is that correct? How does the brain work? It processes things. Okay. The brain helps you to concentrate and process things. Yes. It helps you to think about things. So is the brain really similar to the CPU? Does the CPU control the entire computer system? Yes, it does. Does your brain control your entire body? Are you sure? Let's test it out. Let's test it out by thinking. Simon says. Simon says, rub your tummies. Alright, stop rubbing your tummy. Guys, stop rubbing your tummy. Oh my God. Auntie Aisha, tell them to stop rubbing your tummy. Okay. Simon says, stop rubbing your tummy. Right? So I gave you an instruction and then you received it by what? Hearing. And then your brain did what? Your brain processed the information and you follow the instruction that your brain says. So did your brain tell your hand to rub it tummy?
Yes.
So was it in control of what you needed to do?
Yes.
So the CPU is similar, right? We use the input devices to give it instructions and it processes the information and it shows the information to you on the screen, right? Give yourself that back. Now let's go to the other table. Alright guys, everybody knows what this is. What do we do with the keyboard? Simon says type on your imaginary keyboard. What do we use to type? Our toes? Oh, I'm sorry, we use our nose to type, right? Our ears? What do we use to type on the keyboard? Our what? How many fingers do you have? Who has fingers? Count to 10 in Spanish for me. Good job. You know, you guys sound like you were on. You sound like our own speaker. Were you? But you sounded pretty loud, so what is it? This helps the signal to be what? Wireless. Right? What do we do on the internet? What do we do on the internet, grade 3?
We use it to watch videos, call people.
Call people. Do we send messages?
Yes.
Do we do research?
Yes.
What type of research? Homework. Alright, good job. Alright guys, let's go to this table over here where the keyboards are. Do not put them out. Alright guys, what are the keys on the table? Alright. How many keys does the keyboard have? How many keys? No, it's alphabet. How many keys in all? 105. Right? Your keyboard has 105 to 116. Okay? What do we use the mouse to do? What do we use the mouse to do?
We scroll. Hi, this is yours.
To click on things. Is the mouse an input or output device? Huh? Input. Input device. Good job.
Mine was just bouncing like this.
Alright guys, let's move over to the speakers. Is this a real speaker? Turn for me. Turn. Turn. That's it. That when you touch a real speaker, it vibrates. You know, it creates sound waves. So this is a real speaker, right? Is this one a real speaker? What's it? Right? A prototype, it looks like a speaker, but it doesn't function like a speaker. Okay? So the ones that you guys made are prototypes of a speaker, but it doesn't actually produce sound. Okay? Alright guys, over to this table. Now I have a question for you. I taught you guys about 4 major components of the computer system. What is the 4? What are the 4 major components? Grade 3? What are the 3 major components? Yes? Mouse, what else? What else? How about the keyboard? Grade 3, you're not responding to me. Yes? No. What are the 4 major components? The monitor, what else? Keyboard, the mouse, one more.
The computer.
The CPU. Alright, guys. Give yourself a hand. Form a line and go back to your classes, please. Thank you.
tell Auntie Rose to say Teresa Nagin. Just message her quick and tell her. Message her quick and tell her. Teresa Nagin. That would have great tips now. Auntie Aisha, when you pass in, tell Auntie Tati we're ready. That we're ready. And tell her to resend as well. Welcome to those just tuning in. We are here live at Liberty Learning Center, showcasing our computer studies mini exhibition today. What you're seeing here are displays of the different components of a computer made by our very own students and parents who assisted them. So I have to thank the parents because I know many of them worked tirelessly in getting these things done to the perfection and to the standard set out by the computer teacher. And I must say some of them are very, very well made, very beautiful, and very technical, because look at this one. It looks really realistic from the monitor right to the CPU, and look at that. You can see on the inside the different components, different aspects of the CPU. Some of them even power up. If you take a look over here, we have our router, very own network, and it works, people, it works. As you can see, the lights beeping, the different components plugged in. One of our grade 6 students made this one. She is showcasing the entire computer network, showcasing from the network itself and how the different computers attached to that network gets powered, and that would have been expounded on in her piece that she prepared, the documentation of it all. Here we have another CPU here, a 3D version showcasing the different pieces of the computer. You have the fan, the Intel Core, the RAM over there, the hard drive. These are well made and very creatively put together. You can even see the motherboard and the power supply unit, CD drive. This one actually powers up and the button is pressed. The fan on the inside comes on. Look at that. There's even a CD drive. This one powers up. It is beautifully done and well made. So I have to really big up these parents because they went above and beyond in ensuring that these children are up to par with their assignments and everything that was required of them.
Sometimes someone and sometimes we have to ready. These are the activities we have to do. Sometimes we split across like 5 times. Oh, yes. And sometimes we might end up with 4 gems and 5 ones or this. 4 gems, 4 are based on availability.
So soon we'll be having some classes come again to take part in the display, to see what's happening, to be a part of the exhibition.
Oh, a live chat, like I said, live chat. Click live chat.
Oh, sure you can. Auntie Rosie tuning in. I believe this is the one you were referring to. The different wires, the different components. That one pretty nice. So this is a full setup. A full setup of the entire system, showcasing the different components. So we have the monitor, we have the speaker set, we have a router giving internet. We have multiple routers actually. We have another Bluetooth speaker here, the mouse, the keyboard, and I must say these were really well made. Alright, so now we have grade 6 class coming to us. Alright, so let's see what we got here today. Hi, grade 6. How are we doing? So we are live on YouTube. Say something. Say hello. All right. So
You made a what?
come on.
A what? Router? A router. What did you guys make? A router. Somebody made an entire computer network. Okay? But we'll show that to you guys later. Alright guys, so what is a router? Yes sir.
Router that is a router that will connect to the road and router send the
Yes.
Okay, well.
Let's put it here.
Aiden.
A router is something that once translated from the modem, it takes over and it gives you...
Aiden, come here, man. Come here. Come brother. Come here. Aiden, what is a router?
A router is something once translated from the modem is used to give either an IP address or something else to help you access the internet.
All right, so Aiden, in layman terms, what's a router? For those of us who don't understand.
A router is basically something that gives you the internet you need to communicate with devices and whatnot.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Give them your definition of the router.
A router is when the internet connection sends the signal to the computer and many devices such as laptops, computers, phones, anything. And a router is connected to the modem, and it sends off the internet device from around the world.
Okay. Alright. Guys, I'm putting you on the spot. I'm putting you on the spot. Should I put you on the spot?
Yes.
No, because it's live stream. Alright. What? Alright, guys. Let me whisper. Y'all remember? Are you sure? Alright. Tell them what what you call that? The
What's that?
definition for the term land.
What? I thought it was where I lived. Where's my house? It's not?
Right? No. So it stands for what?
Local area network.
Tell them what one stands for.
Wide area network.
Should we try hard?
Yes.
Personal area network.
Okay.
Yes.
An ISP?
Internet service provider.
What? I did not know that. Thank you for letting me know.
Give yourself. Which one of you have the wrist presentation? All of you? Or hold on. Okay, let's use your
All right, we'll be
right here. Come on. You're going to read it to the camera. I know. I'll
Hello.
Everybody, okay?
All right, so we have a few persons tuning in online that are not here, and some of them do not know who you are. So how about you introduce yourself for us and tell us what you're presenting today?
Well, hello
everybody, my name is Alexander Grant, and today I will be introducing the router. A router is a device that connects multiple computers or devices to the internet and allows them to communicate with each other. It is a key piece of hardware in a home or business. Network enabled devices to share a single internet connection and communicate with others. With that said, here are 5 facts about the routers and how they help us in our daily lives. Fact 1. Routers enable wireless connectivity, allowing us to access the internet and connect devices without cables. This convenience and flexibility has revolutionized how we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. Fact 2. Routers facilitate communication and collaboration because multiple devices can share a single internet connection, making it easier to work from home, participate in video conferences, and stay connected with friends and family. Fact 3. Routers help us stay safe online. Modern routers come equipped with built-in firewalls and security features that protect our devices from cyber threats, hacking, attempts, and malware. Fact 4. Routers enable smart home and automation. By connecting devices like thermostats, like security cameras to our routers, we can control and monitor our homes remotely, making our lives more efficient and convenient. Fact 5. Routers support online learning and education. By providing a reliable internet connection, routers help us to access educational resources, participating in online courses, and completing remote assignments, making education more accessible and flexible, and most importantly,
Thank you so much, Alex. Who's next?
What is a modem?
Hi. Hello. Who are you?
Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Ford and I'm going to tell you what is a modem and a router. A modem, which stands for a modulator and a demodulator, is a networking device which connects your home to your internet service provider ISP through a physical connection. The modem translates the data from your ISP into a format that your home network devices can use. What is a router? A router is a computer and a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks.
Thank you so much, Ethan.
Hello, my name is Aiden Robinson, and today I will be presenting on the router and modem. The router and modem are 2 essential components that work together to help you connect to the internet. The modem is responsible for translating the signal from your service provider, ISP, into a format that your router can understand. Without a modem, your router wouldn't be able to receive any information from your ISP. Once the modem has translated signals, multiple devices on the network, so they can all communicate with each other and access the internet. The router has a unique process of network address translation that assign a unique IP address to each device on the network. It also allows them to communicate with each other and access the internet. Overall, the modem and router work together seamlessly to make it easy for you to get online access.
Thank you so much, Aidan, for sharing. All right, so let's see what's happening over here. Hello. Hi, what's your name? Rhea Clark. I see you here checking out the exhibition. What have you looked at so far?
The router, the computers, and the radios.
Okay, are you seeing anything for the first time?
No.
All right, so tell us what you see so far and which is your most favorite so far? Did you make that?
No.
Why is that your favorite?
Colorful and creative.
Okay. And what's that? Is that like
Let me show you something.
what is that? It looks like a figurine. What's that? Oh, it's a speaker. What do we use speakers for? Oh, I thought it was just to eat our food off or something.
Zayden would like to do this presentation.
Oh, sure. Hello, Zayden.
Hi everybody, today I'll be telling you about the motor. Today I'll be telling the difference between a modem and a rotor.
A modem.
Modem and a rotor. Modem and a rotor are two to the most common devices found in a home network system setup. A modem is connected to an internet service through a local area network, LAN short. Both devices are essentially for a function of home network. A computer or another device access the internet would directly be connected with the internet service provider or ISP. A network in trust or NIC is required for a computer in order to connect to the internet on well as other computer on a network. The INC is on one end of a network connection that connects the computer to the internet and other computers. Massive amounts of data flow through undersea cables, very simple, connecting the world on a large scale. Once the data reaches each country, there's finally through local ISP.
All right. Thank you so much, Zayden. Thank you so much, Zayden, for sharing with us. All right. Hello. What do we have here this morning? Okay, Miss Phipps, what are you doing? Are you checking out this computer? Oh, is that so? Nice. So how are you enjoying the exhibition so far?
I think that these kids are extremely creative, and most of these look extremely realistic.
Yeah, I agree, especially the one that you found to be your favorite.
This is obviously my favorite. And there's this mouse over here. If I saw this at a computer store, I would buy it.
Why is that?
It's just so cute.
Okay. So you don't care if it's functional or not, you just like that it's cute. Alright, no problem.
Find one that's functional and use that one, and this one's just for the
For this, alright, I understand. No problem. Hello, who are you? Huh?
talking about what is the road.
Okay.
How it works.
Okay.
Routers are fundamental networking devices that serve as central hubs for directing network traffic between devices within a local area network or otherwise LAN, and connecting to external networks such as the internet. They play a crucial role in managing data transmission and ensuring efficient communication between devices. Routers operate by directing data traffic between devices and network and facilitating communication. External networks. Here's a simplified explanation of how routers work. Routers use routing tables to determine the most efficient path for forwarding data packets from the source device to the destination device. These routing tables contain information about network packets, such as IP addresses and corresponding paths to which data should be transmitted. Upon receiving a data packet, the router examines its destination address and controls its routing table to determine the appropriate output interface for forwarding the packet. The router then transmits the packet to the network along the determined. Ultimately, reaching its intended
I don't know my speech.
I don't know.
Network address is translation. Routers often employ NAC technique to translate private IP addresses using the local network.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Rick. You certainly gave me a lot of information just now. All right. All right. So let's come back to this computer network, and I have here with me the young lady who made it. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Vivian Riley and I created this with my own.
Your aunt helped. All right. So tell me, what was it like going into making this? What was the thought process?
Well, it was painful because when the glue was attaching to my finger, it burned. So I really needed a like at this point to not make it.
Okay. What gave you the idea though to design it like this?
Well, the idea came from my laptop when I was looking at it. It just came to my head to create something like this.
Okay, that's good. So, who did most of the work? You or auntie?
Well, my aunt, because most of this has been adult work, scissors, knife, and
Okay. Alright, I understand. So how do you feel now? How proud are you of your work? Looking at the finished product, how do you feel?
I feel comfortable that it has been completed. That nothing's wrong with it. It looks fine. It's completed and everything.
And I'll let you in on a little secret. I heard Auntie Crystal saying this was well done, especially your research. So, congrats to you and good job. Alright. Let's see what else is here. Oh. Hello. Who are you? Who are you? Well, hello, Gianna. What can you tell me about the exhibition today? Have you seen anything for the first time? Did you learn anything being a part of this exhibition?
I've seen everything and I've learned a lot of stuff. I can't say my favorite one.
Sure, let's go. All right, take me for a journey. It's a long journey. Were you the one who made this? Okay. Your friend. All right. All right. So this is your favorite one. What about it made it your favorite?
It actually looks like a real laptop that is on a strip down.
I'll let you in on a little secret. A teacher came this morning, saw it, and was like, "Is this a real monitor?" And we were like, "Take a closer look." So, what else? What else captured your attention? Okay, let's go there.
That one is right there.
Which one? Bring it forward. Nice.
Also, to be honest,
It is really, it is quite realistic, and it's a big brand. That's Apple. All right. So, what did you make for the exhibition today?
well, mine broke down. So,
What you mean it broke down? You didn't make it properly?
yeah, it broke down as soon as I was carrying it.
That's unfortunate. But the fact is, you did it, right? What can you share with us about what you made? How was the experience? What was the experience like?
Experience was kind of tough.
How so?
I used glue stick to my hands and I used white out also stick to my hands. It took 2 days to come out.
That sounds pretty rough, as you said. So, what was it like making the piece that you did?
It was very nice.
What did you make actually?
I made a route.
You made a router?
Information about it.
Sure. You mind sharing with us?
So, a router is a networking device that connects multiple computer networks together and directs traffic between them.
It operates at the network layer of OSI model and is essential for enabling communication between devices on different networks, such as local area network (LANs), and the wider internet. When data is transmitted over a network, it is broken down into smaller units called packets. Each packet contains information such as the source and destination in IP addresses, as well as the actual data being transmitted. When a packet arrives at a router, the router examines the destination IP address to determine where the packet needs to go. It consults its routing table, which is a database of network destinations, and the best path to reach them. The routing table is populated through various means, including manual configuration by the work administrator.
Nice, thank you so much. Did you do the research on your own or was there help?
I did the research on my own. I had to find
So you didn't receive any help in any other part of the assignment? You did on your own? Nice. I understand why it was rough now. But congrats to you. I'm sorry that your display broke, but I'm sure you learned something new throughout the journey, that just as you took us on a tour. All right, so thank you so much. All right, so we're still here at our exhibition, and we have here another parent. Hello, mommy. Good morning. I'm well. How are you? That's good. We're live on YouTube, so a big shout out to those on the internet. So I see you here taking in the display or little mini exhibition. What are your thoughts on it so far?
Amazing.
Yeah,
Very creative. I like it.
I do agree with you on that. What grade are you representing? What grade is your child?
Great too.
Grade 2. So I believe, what was it that you made?
Keyboard.
The keyboard. Who made it? You or did the child make it? You, both of you did. So what was the experience like? Because I know a lot of parents say, these assignments and these schools giving us assignments, can't bother with it. So,
I thought it was difficult.
oh yes?
Yeah, because and then I was so happy when Auntie extended the time.
So thank God for Auntie on that one.
Auntie was there that one. Yeah, but after when we through and we're through with everything, we're like, oh, it's pretty easy.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because a lot of persons don't realize until they're actually doing it how fun it is and how simple it is. So I'm glad you came to that realization.
Yeah.
So have you seen your piece? Can you show us? Okay, so take us through it step by step. What was it like? How troublesome was it before you realized how easy it was?
Cardboard, that was a problem for me.
Mm-hmm.
Because I actually had a cardboard, but it was somewhat too thick and it was falling apart.
Okay.
So that was a challenge. And then eventually I found peace and I started to create thing. Because I didn't do everything at once. I take it
Makes sense.
stage by stage. So today I'll do something, next day I'll do something.
Yeah, working smart. That's the way to go.
Yeah.
Amen. And it looks pretty good. So your work did pay off. That's good. It's very nice. How proud of you? How proud are you of yourself and of your child?
Very proud.
That is good. So separate from the exhibition, how are you? What's your experience like being a part of Liberty Learning Center?
It is awesome. Auntie Cardine, they're awesome, they're great. Auntie Rosie, we're well known in everything that is happening here. We're a part of everything that is happening here.
That's good.
So, yeah, and it's a learning process for everyone. So,
Yeah, man, that's very nice.
really.
So I'm happy you're a happy parent of Liberty. Right? So thank you so much for joining us. Continue to showcase us to your friends and family. You know, we do have a bit of space. Don't quote me on that though, people online. Don't quote me on that. Yeah, but go ahead, give us a call. Let's see if we have any space to take your children.
Okay.
All right, so thank you so much, Mommy. I'll leave you to exploring and enjoying the exhibition. All right, so those online, go ahead, give us a comment, give us a like, check us out on Instagram. And Krista, what's our Instagram handle?
Liberty Learning Center TI.
Liberty Learning Center TI. That's us on Instagram. So you can.
Check to make sure.
So whatever it is, go search for us on Instagram. Give us a like, give us a follow. Share the page with your friends and everybody. And we are truly happy.
Liberty Learning Center Tower.
There we go. So,
I'm sorry, no, it's Liberty Learning Center Tower.
alright, so let's give them a view so they can see the picture. And yes, Auntie Crystal, I'm seeing a 10 on the display there. What is that for?
Our 10-year anniversary.
10-year anniversary.
It's been 10 years.
Wow.
It's
been 10 years?
Since we're It's been 10 years since the school has been in operation. Auntie Rosie and Auntie Claudette has been taking this thing from one, I'd call it a supernatural extreme, to the next, because God is the foundation.
Yeah.
And we give glory to Him in everything that we do. But it has been a great pleasure watching our institution grow and the growth of our children, the exposure. The entire thing is just a blessing. So
Beautiful.
I'm grateful to, be a part of it.
And let me just share with you some of the comments that we're getting, because they're saying, congrats to Auntie Crystal, you're doing an awesome job.
Thank you.
So,
I appreciate it, and most likely you're a parent, so I have to say thank you to you too, because if it wasn't for you, putting in the work, spending time with your child, investing, everything that you need to invest in order to make this day a success, it wouldn't be where it is. So
right.
I'd also like to extend gratitude to you as well for
right.
your participation.
Thanks. Seems you have some visitors here.
Yeah, we do. This is grade 5. All right.
5.
5R, and their awesome teacher, Auntie Rosie,
Hello.
who was very pivotal in helping me this morning to set up.
Well, congrats and thanks to you, Auntie Rosa.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Welcome, grade 5. Welcome. All right, I'll leave you to it.
Everybody on there. A central processing unit, right? Use to store and process information or data. That's also another. Alright, so word on the street is that the CPU is also called the brain of the computer. Is that true? Yeah. What's the function of the brain of the computer? To send signal to the rest of it. Okay. It's also used for what? Storing information and also processing the information, right? Is it true that the brain of the computer controls the entire computer system? Yes or no? Is it true that your brains control your entire body? Yes. That's true? So, I give you an instruction using my voice, right? Is that input or output? Output. And then you receive the audio with your ears. Is that input or output? Input. And then you process it with your stomach. Not your stomach? Are you sure? Yeah. You're processing with what? Brain. Or brain. Where are your brains stored? Because Auntie Rosa said it's in your stomach. Are you sure? Yes. But she said it's in your stomach, it's not? Oh, you understand? Alright, that's fair enough. So let's test out you guys using your brain. Are you guys using your brain right now? How do I even know? You're moving, you're what? You're talking, you're responding to my questions, what else? Does your brain have to be working for you to be breathing? Yes, it does. So just being here right now tells me that your brain is perfectly functional, right? Alright, but let's say again. It's outside, okay? Alright, so we're going to look at this from the computer's perspective. I am going to use my voice to project information here, and then it's going here, and then you're going to process it, alright? And then you're going to do the action. Are you ready?
I'm not sure about
Simon says, up on one leg.
show about the links, because the old one is coming up private.
Alright, stop. Stop! Simon says stop.
Hello, how are you doing? Hi. So we are live on YouTube. Mind if I ask you a few questions? Oh, don't be shy, man. Both of you actually. I saw you here checking out the exhibition. What are your thoughts on it so far?
Very nice job so far. It's very
Very nice. Yeah, and what grade are you representing?
second grade.
Second grade. All right. Have you seen your piece of the puzzle? All right. It's on display. What are your thoughts though on the other pieces? Amazing.
Yeah, very talented.
Yeah. So what was the experience like making? I'm pretty sure you assisted in making that part, right? How was that experience?
Fun constructing it from scratch and figuring out what material.
Yes. So there wasn't any frustration, any trouble with gluing the pieces together? That's good. So I'm guessing now you understand how frustrating their lives are at times, right? Oh, okay. So, but any other thoughts you'd like to share on the exhibition? What you've seen so far?
Very impressed with their work.
All right, appreciate it.
Great teacher.
Yeah, man, the teacher over there. All right. So thanks again for coming. Do go ahead, finish enjoying the exhibition, and I'll see you guys later on.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
This is the what? Keyboard. The keyboard. What do you use the keyboard to? Type. Type. Is it input or output device? Input. Let me see the hands of those who say input. Let me see the hand. All right. Put your hands down. Let me see the hands of those who say output. The keyboard is an input device, right? Which is used to enter information. So the keyboard, you know, it can actually be considered as similar to words, right? So I'm typing in the words and giving the instructions to the CPU, right? And then the CPU is displaying it where? On the screen, right? So the CPU takes the information, processes it, and then displays it on the screen, right? What's this? Speaker. A speaker. Speaker is used to do what? Hear what kind of sound? Audio? Good audio. All types of audio? Alright, that is correct. Also, you have this device here. What's it called? A router. What's the router used for? To connect what kind of signal? Wi-Fi signal, internet signal. What do we do with that signal? We use it to connect to what? We connect our devices to what? Internet, right? Yes. These are called antennas. They're called antennas, and the antennas are used to extend the reach of the Wi-Fi. That's what you're trying to say. Or that means they can just have a distance and still be able to connect to the internet. It's doubling the normal reach. Okay? Alright. Let's move over to the keyboard table. Very funny well. Funny well. Come on over, guys. Alright, what are we looking at over here? How many keys do we have on the keyboard? 106. Good job. How many alphabetical keys do we have? 26. How many numerical keys do we have? 10 or 9. What kind of symbols can we find on the keyboard? Symbol. Symbol. Question mark. Addition and subtraction. What else? Equal sign. Alright? Now, this network was made by Stephanie. Guys, are you looking? She's a the computer network made by Zevaney. It is showing how a single network, how multiple computers can be connected to a single network. Okay? So that means that the information that is on this network can be shared to multiple devices at the same time or simultaneously. Yes. Alright, over here we have real speaker, fake speaker, what is it? A real speaker. I want you to touch it. There is no light, there is no wire. Because there is no sound. But if there were sound, what would you feel? Vibration. Alright guys, and this is what's another name for it? A prototype, right? So it looks like a speaker. It's a model of a speaker or a computer. But there is no sound. Got it? So there is no vibration. Alright guys, now we're at the last table. I taught you this in class, the four major components. The four major components of the computer system. What are they? Keyboard, CPU, the mouse, and the monitor. Alright? This side, yourself like that. I'll see you next time.
I thought Unagana put them already. Yes, sir. Raja, you can discuss that. I'm going to say I do a part out there. Alright, but listen to me. Yeah, if you could take over. And if you get him completed for lunch. You're supposed to have what we do. I just let me do it on the list.
To showcase and we make videos and she gonna run down for 5 minutes.
Did it. This one.
You do them showcase. So do you want to try another she said she wants 5 minutes. What meal and she said she wants 5 minutes. She don't need one here and going over here. She's gone with her parents. I don't know where. But that's the same thing that she was doing working with her
You guys pausing. So we're giving Auntie Crystal 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Yes, you're live. Yes, on YouTube. Auntie Crystal is coming. Grade 4, being quiet is going to be very important, okay? Auntie holding up the camera, it means you guys are on the live. So if you're misbehaving, your parents are going to see you. And the whole internet is going to see you misbehaving. Okay? So let's be on our best behavior. Okay? What is a monitor? Very good. A monitor is a display screen for the computer. It shows what you are doing on the computer. Yes? This one. It allows you to see what you're doing. It is detachable, and you can also play games. All right? Yes? Grade 4, I'm still hearing talking. Okay, thank you very much. Anybody else knows what a computer monitor is or is able to describe what a computer monitor is? Yes? Yes, somebody. All right, next person. Oh, very good. computer monitor is an output device that displays what? Text, pictures, and videos. Good job. High five. Yes, darling? Come up closer. Come up closer. Very good. High five. Who's next? Give her some milk on her food. And what? And more. Thank you very much. All right. Great. Grade 4? 4 fingers? Count on your imaginary. Type on your imaginary keyboard for me. You have 5 fingers? Okay, type on your imaginary keyboard with your 5 fingers for me. Are you sure that's typing? We type with our toes? We type with our nose? Fingers? How many fingers? 5. Alright, good job. Give yourselves a hand. Alright, grade 4. What are we looking at here? Of a computer. Okay? So what would you call this part of the computer? The monitor. And what would we call this part? The keyboard. How many keys does the keyboard have? 105. How many alphabetical keys do we have? 26. How many numerical keys do we have? Do we have symbols up here? Yes. What kind of symbols? One person at a time. One person at a time. One person at a time, yes? Question mark? A full stop? Alright, what part of the computer is this?
The CPU.
The CPU. Alright, what other name do we call the CPU? We call it the brain of the computer that are true or false. Huh? Is the CPU also called the brain of the computer? Yes or no? Sure? What is the brain of the computer used for? Processing information, storing data or information, outputting the information, yes. Scanning data. Anything else?
Auntie, I said earlier, but the name for this way also control the 1010.
Binary, it speaks in binary code, right? Binary code, that would be what? Zeros and? Can we add other numbers to binary code, like 3s and 4s? We can only add what numbers? Huh? If we add other numbers, it will do what? It would distort the code. Oh my goodness. It would distort the code. All right, very good job. You guys, let's go around this side. I'm going to show you a device that I did not teach grade 4 about. Are you listening? This is called an internet router, right? What do you suppose it is for?
It's for signal. Wi-Fi signal.
Wi-Fi signal.
Wi-Fi, right?
So what kind of device can I use to connect to Wi-Fi signal? I can use my computer. Any electronic device that runs on Wi-Fi. Alright guys, let's move. Alright. Let's move over to the keyboard too. Alright guys, how many keys do we have to work on? 101? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. How many alphabetical keys do we have? I can't hear you. How many numerical keys do we have? I can't hear you. What other devices do we see on the table? The mouse an input device or output device?
Input device.
Input device. How many buttons can we find on the mouse? Most of them only have 2 buttons. No, we have the scroll, right click and left click. Alright, let's move over to the speakers. You guys are passing the speakers. Alright, speakers. So this is a real speaker here, right? There was sound coming out of the speaker. And you probably have to repeat the sound waves go off.
Maybe you end it like when she's finished.
I don't know, when you do this. Or when you don't do this.
When she done this.
No, when you do this.
Yeah.
Once you finish, then I say something. And then press the
Excuse me guys, we're going to move around to the last table.
This is mine.
Grade 4.
That is small, boy. That is mine.
4 major components. Grade 4, everybody should be looking this way. I taught you guys about 4 major components. What are they? Yes? Monitor, mouse, yes? Speaker, what else? And the CPU, yes? Alright guys, give yourselves a hug. Thank you for coming. Thank you for participating.
And this is that girl just
Thank you to your parents.
Okay, go back.
Sophie, you didn't get a chance to plug in this one right here. I got a chance to plug in this one right here.
Alright, I think we have one more class left, but we are going to have to tune out for the day. Thank you for joining us live, and we hope to see you at the main event. Thank you.
In June.
In June.